we talk about how can you back up to Google Drive uh, on your Nigeria app. We go to figure out the solution on how you can do that in your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, just follow this ways, then it's going to figure out with you here. You go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you list like this here. Then all you have to do now, just click here on backup and restore, just click on it. And just click on it here, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You click here on backup to Google Drive, you just click on it. So then it's going to show for you like this here. Then here you just click here on sign in. Then here you add your Google Drive here. Then it's going to sign with you here, or it's going to back up to Google Drive with you. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.